Okay, so I'm planting potatoes in 30-gallon grow bags. I love these grow bags. You can put them where you want to. You can move them around if you need to. And so as you see, these are going in front of my permanent planters that I have around my garden spaces. So potatoes are closely related to tomatoes in the nightshade family. Tomatoes, as a lot of you will know, are either determinate or indeterminate. A determinate potato grows like one layer of potatoes. Wherever it's growing that first layer, it'll grow all its potatoes and then that's it. It won't grow down any farther or up any farther and grow another layer. And so what I've learned is the best way to plant them in big grow bag. I would say I wouldn't try this in less than 20, and 20 would be tight, 20-pound grow bag. But these are 30. So the first two potatoes, I fill the bag up about a third full. And the first two I'm gonna put at 12 o'clock. Oh, and most of your eyes are gonna be on one side. That's the side you want sticking up toward the sky. 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, close to the edge. Maybe like 4 inches off the edge. And then I'm gonna cover them up with another third. This soil is filtered topsoil for about, I guess, 20% of it, I would say. And then another 50, 60, probably 70% is probably compost. My compost that I made last year still has a few little bits of leaves and stuff in it, which is okay. Still really moist. It's really, I was really pleased with how my compost turned out. Okay, so now I got the bag about 2/3 full, give or take. It's not rocket science. Don't worry about measuring and all that. I'm gonna take 2 more. These are red potatoes, by the way. I'm gonna take 2 more, and these are gonna go 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So when they grow, I'm gonna have 2 layers. Hopefully this will be the first layer, and then the potatoes that are deeper will have another layer. Cool thing about potatoes is you can plant potatoes pretty deep, and they still tend to grow. They'll find the openings. They'll come up to the top. They just take a little bit longer. And then I can let these grow just about all summer until the plants start dying off, and then we'll dig them up then. So last night I was cutting my son's grass and I just got home and we had a pretty good thunderstorm, and something happened that hadn't happened here since I can remember. It's been a long time. It started to hail, and I have 300 potted plants outside, and I was like, no, 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 no. I could just see that hail just tearing up all my plants. But luckily the hail was small enough and the plants are still small enough that, as I can tell, I didn't get much damage. Even on my strawberries or my stuff on my porch, none of that got damaged. And we got pictures of it, the pile of hail along the side of the house. So I guess we just got lucky. But grow bags, Amazon, just type in grow bags. There's several of them, and they're very inexpensive too. So we'll see how that goes.